Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. Today you are watching my channel. You can learn with Rajni. Today I am going to share with you part of listening. Okay, listening part is very important in order to speak English. If you are a good listener, you are going to be good speaker. Okay, a good listener are always a good speaker. You should watch the video every day at 20 minutes. Okay, because without listening we can't understand very well English. Okay, so listening part is very important part of speaking English. Okay, now it raises the question, how is the important part of speaking English? Okay, according to me, listening part is very important for improving English, because I have a example. Because as a child when start speaking any language, any language, child observes every person who speak very well. Okay, so that's how start that's how child speak language. I think English is not subject, English is a language. Okay, because we should treat as a language. So maximum times we should watch the video. Okay, now it's rise the question, because I don't have any environment, how how could we learn, we learn and listen the English. So I think I have lots of platform. Okay, I have a mobile phone and there are so many videos in YouTube. Okay, so you can check and you can watch, and every day. Okay, every day. I think this way is very good for improving English, because I want to tell myself when I started learning English. So that times I didn't watch any video in English, because that times I couldn't understand very well English, but I could speak very well English. But but now, right now, I realized I should watch the video in English, and I watch listening the video in English. So I think that's how I learned speaking English, learning English. So I should watch the video in English. Okay, this is a very useful for improving English. I would like to say in the end, uh, please, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like and share my video. And please, I beg to you, please comment, do the comment, and from which I could get motivational. So please let me know whether I am good or not. Please, please, please. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.